Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Connected Leadership, Lecture 6. Today we'll learn about leading virtual and remote teams. Introduction: Challenges of managing geographically dispersed teams, leveraging technology for virtual collaboration, managing remote team performance and engagement, overcoming challenges and fostering a sense of connectedness. Conclusion. Introduction. Welcome to our presentation on managing geographically dispersed teams. In today's globalized world, remote work has become increasingly common, making it essential for organizations to effectively manage virtual teams. In this lecture, we will discuss the challenges of managing remote teams and provide strategies for leveraging technology to facilitate virtual collaboration and communication. We will also explore ways to overcome communication barriers and foster a sense of connectedness in virtual teams. Challenges of managing geographically dispersed teams. Managing geographically dispersed teams can be a challenging task due to various factors such as communication barriers, time zone differences, and cultural differences. Communication is crucial in any team, but it becomes even more important when team members are not physically present in the same location. Misunderstandings and misinterpretations can easily occur, leading to delays and mistakes. In addition, time zone differences can make scheduling meetings and collaborations difficult. Team members may have to adjust their schedules to accommodate others, which can be inconvenient and lead to decreased productivity. Cultural differences can also pose a challenge, as different cultures may have different communication styles and expectations. For example, some cultures may value direct communication while others may prefer indirect communication. Leveraging technology for virtual collaboration. Virtual collaboration and communication have become increasingly important in today's globalized work environment. Fortunately, technology has made it easier than ever to connect with colleagues and clients around the world. Video conferencing tools like Zoom and Skype allow teams to hold face-to-face meetings from anywhere with an internet connection. File-sharing platforms like Dropbox and Google Drive make it easy to collaborate on documents and share files in real time. And project management software like Asana and Trello help remote teams stay organized and on track. Managing remote team performance and engagement. To effectively manage remote teams, it is important to establish clear goals and expectations from the outset. This ensures that everyone is on the same page and working towards a common objective. Setting achievable targets and deadlines helps to keep team members motivated and engaged, while also providing a sense of purpose and direction. Regular feedback is also essential for managing remote teams. Providing constructive criticism and positive reinforcement can help team members to improve their performance and feel valued. It is important to recognize achievements and celebrate successes, no matter how small, to foster a culture of positivity and motivation within the team. Overcoming challenges and fostering a sense of connectedness. To overcome the challenges of managing a geographically dispersed team, it's important to promote open communication. Encourage your team members to share their thoughts and ideas regularly, and make sure everyone has access to the same information. This can help prevent misunderstandings and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Another way to foster a sense of connectedness in virtual teams is to encourage team-building activities. This can include anything from virtual happy hours to online games or challenges. By creating opportunities for your team members to connect on a personal level, you can help build trust and strengthen relationships. Promoting collaboration, trust, and accountability. Collaboration, trust, and accountability are the cornerstones of a successful team. When team members work together towards a common goal, trust and accountability naturally develop. However, It takes intentional effort to promote collaboration within a team. One way to do this is by encouraging open communication. Make sure everyone has a chance to voice their opinions and ideas. This not only fosters collaboration but also builds trust among team members. Another important factor in promoting collaboration, trust, and accountability is by setting clear expectations and goals. When everyone knows what they're working towards and how their contributions fit into the bigger picture, it's easier to hold each other accountable. Additionally, celebrating team successes and recognizing individual contributions can go a long way in building trust and fostering collaboration. Conclusion. In conclusion, effective virtual collaboration and communication are crucial for managing geographically dispersed teams. By leveraging technology, setting clear goals and expectations, providing regular feedback, promoting open communication, encouraging team-building activities, and creating a shared team culture, remote teams can overcome challenges and foster a sense of connectedness. It is important to remember that managing remote teams requires a different approach than traditional in-person management. By implementing the strategies discussed in this presentation, you can help your team thrive and achieve success, no matter where they are located.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.